I'm jealous of your left side neck tattoo, 'cause it means so much to you, and it won't ever remove. I'm jealous of your day one cousins too, 'cause they knew you from the womb and know all that you've been through. I'm jealous of the way the sun gets to shine on you. I'm jealous of the way the moon spends its nights, watching you snooze even in your sleep. You're so fine. Please tell me, babe, is it a crime? Can I just get all of your time? I'm selfish 'cause you're supposed to be all mine.
So I brought a raised bed garden from Temu, and what you see me doing right now is putting it together. It was very simple to put together. I mean, literally, it only took me about 3 minutes. Now, I'm doing this in real time. I did not speed up this part of the video. This is actually me in real time putting this together.
I'm jealous of the seasons as they change, 'cause they seen you through the...
I really did not need the instructions. I did look at the instructions, but it's very simple. It came with screws and it came with a screwdriver to screw the parts that need to be screwed together. But y'all, this is real simple. Now y'all watch me. I'm struggling in the sense that it's hard for me to put this together by myself, but I figured out a way to help me keep this together since I didn't have anybody to help me. So y'all look, I just used my big butt. You know, this butt is come in handy for something, right? So y'all gonna see me use my butt to help me hold up the other side of the planner. And yeah, y'all, this worked out fine. Once I did that, took me less than 2 minutes to do this. Y'all gonna see this took no time at all. And this is not a sponsored video. This is just one day I was scrolling on Temu and I said, you know, I want to get me a raised bed planner, but y'all, I didn't want to spend a lot of money. So I came across this and I said, okay, yeah, this would be nice because I'm just starting learning how to garden. So I was like, I think I'm going to try this. This was only $31. And look, y'all, all these pieces are wood. They are wood pieces. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to stain the wood the same color as my deck on the outside, not the inside. I'm just going to stain the outside of the wood and the bottom part. So I won't be able to do this in this video because the stain, I had some left, but it's no good. So I'm going to have to go to Home Depot and get some more. But yeah, y'all, let me know if y'all like this planner, if you think you would use it. But y'all gonna see me, I'm gonna get some plants and stuff to put in there. Now, it's not a big planner, but I like it. It's a good starter for someone who is trying to learn how to garden, you know, and plant vegetables and plants. It's good for that.
Forever is never enough, babe. And we already started late. Don't wanna leave it up to fate. I got the key ready to go where you in drive. Take all my worries and my fears away on this ride. It's time we decide. Make it plain as day. We're running out of space. Running out of places to run to, but I know that I want you. So can I get a lifetime with you? I just want a lifetime with you. Can I get a lifetime with you? I just want a lifetime with you. Can I get a lifetime with you? I just want a lifetime with you. Can I get a lifetime with you? I just want a lifetime with you.
This is a liner that came with it. You just put it inside of it and fill it with dirt. I'm just testing it to see how it fits in there. But I'm not ready to fill this yet because, like I said, I'm going to stain it. So once I get it stained, I'm going to fill it. Right now, I'm just cleaning the porch off again. And I'm going to go to Home Depot and pick up some more dirt for the planter. And I'm also going to pick up some more plants. So that's going to be it for this video. In the next video, when I come back, I will show you guys my new plants that I purchased. And I'm going to decorate this patio. So you guys will see the final results of what this patio looks like. I just want to create a space that I can come out and just sit out, relax, enjoy myself, read a book, watch some TV, whatever I want to do. Just when I get home from work, I just want to be able to unwind and be comfortable and just be outside with nature. Alright, y'all, I want to thank y'all so much for watching. Come back for part 3, and I promise that's going to be the last video of this series. Got so much that I want to share with y'all. I know I've been not posting, but I'm trying to get back into it. I want to stay consistent. I'm trying to at least post a video once a week. And if you like this video, do me a favor and hype this video up. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. And I just want to say I thank y'all so much for all the love and all the support that y'all give. I know, like I said, I haven't been consistent, but I'm trying. I'm really trying to get back into it. But all right, y'all. Till the next time. Bye, y'all.
The rest of my lifetime with you. Can I get a lifetime with you?
Pick this video up for me.